10 ordinary homes, not laboratories, actual homes with shoes by the door and post piled on the table. A robot was wheeled into each one and told to pick things up and put them somewhere else. The system is called OK Robot. You scan a room with a phone, then tell it in plain words to move something. Researchers at New York University and at Meta ran 171 tasks across 10 homes. Robots that ace laboratory tests fall apart in houses. The authors named 3 reasons: clutter, the gap between what you say and which object you mean, and things wedged where an arm cannot reach. Nothing was trained on your house. A vision language model matches your words to a point in the scan room. A separate model works out where to close the fingers on an object it has never seen. In the homes exactly as they found them, lived in and unorganized, it completed 58.5% of the tasks, about 1.8 times the previous best. Then they tidied the houses, removed confusing objects, cleared space around the targets, moved things within reach. Success jumped to 82.4%. Navigation errors fell from 15% to 4%. Nothing about the eye had changed, the house changed. So the fantasy runs backwards. The promise is a machine that tidies for you. Right now, a quarter of its ability sits in your floor space, not its brain. What was left after tidying was grip and hardware, a much slower problem.